everybody. The Lord be with you and also with you. Thanks. Today we're carrying on with our theme of thankfulness, specifically this week talking about living a simple life of gratitude. This idea is not first introduced, but it was made pretty big by a guy named Saint Francis of Assisi. It's definitely not Assassi, because he ain't sassy. And Google says that I just realised you guys probably say Francis. I don't know if it's a northern thing that I say Francis, or if it is actually, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go with Francis of Assisi, and if it turns out to be Francis of Assisi, I don't think it is, but cool. He abandoned a life of luxury for a life devoted to Christianity after reportedly hearing the voice of God, who commanded him to rebuild the Christian church and live in poverty. He is the patron saint of animals and the environment. So this Saint Francis guy devoted his life to being a Christian and living the Christian way, and he heard God's voice tell him to get rid of all of his stuff and live a life of poverty, to be a poor person, to live with pretty much nothing, apart from maybe the bare necessities. Look for the bare necessities. And by having nothing, it meant that he could focus on what was really, really important, which for him was God, and of course, animals and the environment. And he led this simple life of gratitude. Now, gratitude is just another word for thankfulness, really. So if you live a life of gratitude, you live your life by saying thank you for the simple things. Grateful comes from gratitude. So when you're grateful for something, you're thankful for it. So I'm thankful for this pretty new decoration that I got from eBay because it's really autumnal and it's cute. I've got a scripture now, and it's from Matthew chapter 10, verses 7, 8, 9, and 10. As you go, proclaim this message. The kingdom of heaven has come near. Heal the sick, raise the dead, cleanse those who have leprosy, drive out demons. Freely you have received, freely give. Do not get any gold or silver or copper to take with you in your belts. No bag for the journey, or extra shirt, or sandals, or a staff, for the worker is worth his keep. There's a whole load of extra words that basically say be thankful for every little thing you have, and God will give you everything you need. So living a life of gratitude means being thankful for every little thing. And you don't have to get rid of all your stuff to be grateful. You just have to change your mindset. You have to focus and really think, what should I say thank you to God for today? What has been really good? Has something special happened to me today? Has something special happened to someone else today? I could give thanks for them. Did my friend have a cold and now they've come back to school because they're all better? Thank you, God, for making my friend all better. You need to notice the roof over your head, the clothes on your body, the food in your belly, and be thankful for all of that. That's what living a life of gratitude is about. They may seem like really simple, basic, everyday things, but some people don't have those everyday basic things. So we must be thankful and grateful. Reminder that those two words mean the same thing. I'm going to show you a fun video now. I know that that's like weird because this is a video, but I'm going to show you another video now linked in with this that is by a guy that you definitely have seen before, and he's going to talk all about thankfulness. Enjoy the video. I'll see you guys next week. Have an awesome day. Bye.
So let's be real. Some days are hard. So I made this list of awesome things I'm thankful for. Yeah. Sometimes I need reminding that things are not all that bad. So I wanted to share a few because you guys are my friends. It's great to be alive. And here's some reminders why. First one, bubble wrap. When cats do their tongue, like this. I'm also thankful for the little paw pads that the cats and dogs have and the sound it makes. Paw pads. I love them. Hey, turn that back on. Oh, no. Change it. Ah, there, that's better. Music is magical. It can make anything better. Right music can make a video better. The same goes with life. Singing singing. I like Paw Pets, I like Paw Pets. Singing. If something's boring, just sing it, and that will make it better. Watching paint dry. It's really cool. Old people who still hold hands. Clouds that look like stuff. One time I saw a cloud that looked like an airplane, and I realized it was an airplane. Imagination. Without it, we wouldn't have airplanes, no internet, pants. Pants, we gotta wear them, because if we didn't, it would be sort of awkward. Pants. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Sleep. Clothes with funny names, like Windbreaker. Birthday cake. No reason at all cake, just cake. Sorry we filmed this while I was hungry. Forgiveness. I'm Kid President, but I ain't perfect. Ain't a word. We all mess up, come on. Don't mess up and forget to forgive all the mess ups. Thankful plants undergo photosynthesis, using the energy from the sun to convert carbon dioxide to oxygen, providing us with the air we need to do things like this. I'm bored. Morgan Freeman's voice. Hello, I'm Morgan Freeman. I'm working on it. My voice is changing, but it hasn't changed that much. Food, taco, burger. I know, I already said food, but this is my list and my rules. Happiness. Sadness. Sad isn't bad. It helps you know what you care about. People. Sometimes people can be really people-y, but we need each other. Life's better with people in it. Family, friends, you. Just being alive. Sometimes we forget how it's just great to be alive. We're breathing. Some days are tough, but we got a lot to be thankful for. We just have to look for it sometimes. They say if you have food in your fridge, clothes on your back, and a place to sleep, you're richer than 75% of the world. I did not know that. So what would you add to the list? Let me know. Share this video with someone you're really thankful for. Oh, and of course, also this. Dancing!